Pre-Wax is a classic all-purpose wax which is designed for the removal of body and facial hair. A golden appearance and honey-like consistency when heated. It leaves skin smooth and soft, and free of unwanted hair. Remove the aluminum lid and place wax can in heater and turn thermostat on maximum setting for a quick melt. Stir wax until proper consistency has been reached and turn heater down to normal temperature. Clean the area to be waxed with Intimo Pre-Wax Lotion. Apply wax in a thin layer in the direction of hair growth and wait 1 to 2 seconds for the wax to cool. And to ensure proper adhesion, then remove with strips. After epilation, apply Intimo After Wax Lotion to calm and soothe the skin. Available in 9 different variants: Brazilian black, avocado, banana, green apple, orange, lemon, honey, titanium, zinc oxide,